Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to set up the classes that you teach in Edupage. The first thing is for you to log into your account. As soon as you log in, this interface will be displayed. Click on the button that says No Course Selected. Click on the drop-down button. Now I have already set up my subjects. That is why you can see this. In case you're here to set up your subjects, you won't see any list here. You go straight to this button that says Add Class Which I Teach. Click on that button. From here, click on Subjects. Select the subject you teach. For general subjects like data processing, you simply select the subject, select the class, click Save, and that will be all. That class is set up. The class is set up. That is 1C. But for subjects that require you to teach a few students or a group of students, you click here, select the subject. Let's take literature, for instance. Select the class, 2C, for instance. Then student groups will be selected so that you can select the students you teach. From here, put a check mark against every student that you teach. Then click Save. At this point, we are done selecting the students. Click on Save button. And that is this class we are seeing here. Now, if you need to set this up later, say a student has just joined the class, you click this. You don't need to change this. Simply go on to the students or groups. From here, you can remove a student who has stopped taking the subject, or add another student who just joined the class. Click on Save, and then save the list. So this list has just been modified, this particular list here. In the next lesson, I will show you how to remove a class from your database. Thank you.